Hello everybody, I'm out here in the back and I'm about to cook some stuff on the griddle here. I had it covered with that paper. I had cleaned it and oiled it before I covered it up. I also put a cardboard box over the top, and that was about a month ago, and this griddle had a bunch of surface rust on there. I've already begun to clean it, and before I heated it up, I squirted some of this canola oil, Pam or whatever have you on there, and I'm just scraping it around, and the rust's coming off very simply. Watch when I wipe it with a towel here. I'll wipe it with a white cloth pretty quick here, and you can see how much rust. Look at that rusty crap right there I took off of there. So anyway, I think I'm going to need to oil it and leave a really thick coat of oil on here from now on, so that doesn't happen again. Okay, watch this. Got a little white cloth here. I'm going to wipe it down. Next thing, I'm going to heat it up and put some more oil on it. Cure it down, cure it again. Anyway, yeah, there's a lot of crap on there, but it was really rusty, especially right around here and in the middle. It's going to clean up okay. But anyway, I just wanted to make a little video about cleaning it when that happens. Make sure you oil it really good and leave a good coat of oil on there, or you're going to get a rusty grill top even though you cover it up. Alrighty, have a good one, folks.